Hey everyone, we hope you're doing good. Welcome back to Top Business. In recent times, the economy has witnessed a major shift to the online mode. That is, e-commerce has begun in full swing. One of the great advantages of this is that there are plenty of job opportunities available right now, most of which are very easy to do and make way to earning a lot of money. In this video, we will be talking about 20 easy ways to make money online. Make it a point to watch until the end of the video so that you don't miss out on a single one of these super easy ways to make money from the comfort of your own home. Number 20. Become a ClickWorker. ClickWorker.com is a website that is based on internet crowdsourcing. Websites look for small specific tasks to be completed in exchange for some money. This is a great way to earn at your own pace. You can choose which job you want to do, and the jobs are usually data entry or form filling jobs, so they really don't require any heavy skills. Anyone can do it. Try it out and be surprised at how much you can earn in a month. Number 19. Sell clothes online. Much like selling anything online, clothes and secondhand clothes can be a big moneymaker. People love looking for cheaper alternatives to expensive clothes, and with the rise of e-commerce, people are starting to ditch the thrift stores and are looking for their clothes online. You can sell your old clothes online and watch the cash roll in. You can set the prices to your liking and sell in a variety of ways. It's simple and it helps you to earn. Number 18. Gigs on FIVERR. FIVERR is one of the most popular sites now that offers a lot of services. From people dressed as Jesus giving out motivational messages to pranksters telling you how to do pranks, this website has it all. But recently, FIVERR has also built up a serious workforce of people who are selling legitimate online services. Many of these are website audits, graphic designers, and logo makers. It's a great site to sign up for if you've got a digital skill that you'd like to sell. Building up your reputation may take a little bit of time, but some people have claimed to make thousands of dollars a month. Number 17. Start your own website. You might think it's a big step, but starting a website doesn't have to be difficult. There are many tools out there that will help you to build one. If you invest a little bit of money, you can have one professionally made. The investment will be great because a good website can earn you a passive income, and that means that you'll be earning money while you sleep. It's easy and lucrative. Just get your site monetized and you're all set. Number 16. Sell stock photos. You most likely heard of Getty Images or Adobe Stock Images. These are sites where you can pay a license fee to get a collection of images that you can then use for your projects. Sometimes the fee is steep, but the collections are usually pretty large. Did you know they can actually take part in the earnings? Just take some photos and add to their library, and you too can get paid. The best part is that you don't need much effort, just a nice camera that can take high quality images and a couple of subjects that are of interest to people. They can be other people or even inanimate objects. The freedom is there and it's completely flexible. Number 15. Rent your house out for filming. Filmmakers, especially filmmakers who are just starting out, are always looking for places to film. If you live somewhere near a film school or in an area with a large number of filmmakers, you can actually rent out your house for filming. This is a great way to earn big because depending on the film's budget, you can earn a couple of hundred to thousands of dollars for just a couple of days. And usually, the filmmakers will even give you free meals and make sure your house is left spotless when they leave. Sounds great, right? Number 14. Online survey. These days, online surveys keep coming up from everywhere on the internet. With legitimate sites, you can earn quite a decent amount of cash. It's simple, really. You just need to answer some questions and earn. Businesses send out these surveys to figure out the best way to market and sell their products, so you're helping them out by completing these surveys. It may be a bit time-consuming, but once you start earning, it's absolutely worth it. Number 13. Buy and sell domain names. Domain names are actually a hidden gem. Buying and selling these internet items can be highly lucrative. To do this, buy a domain name that is catchy and has the possibility to be popular. One-word names are popular. Once you purchase this domain name, sit on it until someone wants to buy the name, then sell it at a higher price. You need a little bit of investing funds and time for this, but once you get the hang of it, you can make a big living buying and selling domain names. Number 12. Sell secondhand course textbooks. Course books can be expensive. If you've purchased any in the past, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. Luckily, if you don't need yours anymore, you can sell them online. There are plenty of people online looking for used course books for discounted prices. They're always in high demand, and because of this, you can earn a quick buck by selling yours. It's easy and risk-free. It also gives you a chance to really help people in need. Number 11. Become a mystery shopper. Mystery shoppers are great ways for shop owners to audit a shop and its workers. A mystery shopper is basically someone who gets paid to go to stores and shop. They then relay information back to the owners, giving detailed reports on how their employees are working, how easy it was to find what they needed, and other important information to see how well the shop is going. Luckily, you too can find gigs online that are looking for mystery shoppers. It's a simple job and you can earn some nice chunks of change. Number 10. Disney Vault. Not a lot of people know about this, but it's a good way of making money. The Disney Vault is where all Disney movies are kept until they are re-released years later. Some people have discovered a secret. If you buy these Disney films while they're out, at a regular price, you can then sell them online for a big profit once they're locked back up in the vault. A copy of the Blu-ray Beauty and the Beast sold for over $70 online once it was back in the Disney Vault. This is a little-known secret that can help you rake in those big bucks. Number 9. Become a babysitter. Babysitting is in no way a new job. Teens have been babysitting to save up money for decades. Just that, with the advent of new technology, it has become even easier. There are actually websites online where you can find babysitting gigs in your area. This is a great tool because you can find gigs that are perfect for your schedule. You can even choose how many kids you're willing to babysit. This really is a great cash earner. Number 8. Review websites and apps. Reviews are helpful and can tell content and media creators just what they need to do in order to make their products better. Anyone needs honest reviews on their websites, services, or blogs, and that's why businesses and creators are always looking for people to review their work. Just like music reviews and surveys, websites and app developers will pay people to review their products, and you too can be one of the people they pay. This is another great way to earn that just needs a little bit of your time and effort. Number 7. Get cashback while shopping. You might not know this, but there are apps out there that will help you to find discounts and to earn while you shop. Yes, you can earn while shopping. These apps usually have links to special shops that you can go to. Once you go to checkout, special prices will be added. It's a great way to save when you buy, especially when you need the extra cash. Number 6. Be an extra. You can't usually find someone who doesn't want to appear on the big screen. Well, that isn't too easy, but sometimes filmmakers are looking for background actors. You don't need to be a skilled actor in order to be an extra. You can find gigs online and even sometimes on Facebook pages. They don't pay as big as main acting roles, but get enough of these gigs and you can earn big cash and maybe even score some connections. Number 5. Sell old CDs, movies, and games. As mentioned before, secondhand items are always in demand. If you've got some old CDs, movies, and games lying around, it is almost certain that someone else is looking for them. You may think that nobody is looking for physical media anymore since we live in the digital age, but this is far from the truth. Collectors on websites such as eBay are always on the lookout for physical media, so try selling your stuff today and see how fast the cash comes in. Number 4. Delivery driver or rider. Food delivery apps such as Uber Eats are really popular right now. Many customers flock to these apps at all hours of the day. Luckily for you, you can take advantage of this. You too can become a delivery driver. There are many options available for you. You can use a car or a bike, you can even walk. This is a great job because it's flexible and you can potentially earn a ton of cash. It's also a popular part-time job, so hurry and join in to make some good money. Number 3. Review music. Do you love music? Do you listen to it on a regular basis and make good opinions? Do you want to get paid to do this? Well, luckily you can. On the website Slice the Pie, you too can get paid to review music. This may be a little bit of a slow process since you need to build up a reputation, but once you get there, you can earn a good chunk of change each month. That cha-ching sound will be music to your ears. Number 2. Claim tax back. When you work a summer job or even a part-time job, you're paying quite a large chunk of income tax. The same thing happens when you're part of a paid internship. This happens because employers put on emergency basic tax codes when they pay students. Students have a tax-free allowance or maximum that they rarely actually reach each year, but companies will usually disregard this. You can actually find out how much tax you are due back and earn quite a large sum of money. Number 1. Become a YouTuber. YouTube is perhaps the biggest platform for content creation. Many people have become famous thanks to this video sharing platform. There are also ways for you to make a living out of it. YouTube has a partnership plan that helps you to monetize your videos. You can also make cash on YouTube with ads or sponsorships. The earnings range from a couple of hundred a month to thousands of dollars a month, depending on how you monetize your content. This can be a little bit slow and it does require a lot of time and effort, but the payoff can be tremendous once you get it down. Thanks for watching. While you're here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there!